Hello, I'm Dr. Stephen Lamm. You may already know me as author of The Hardness Factor and medical correspondent for the Emmy Award-winning television show The View. But you should know that I'm also a faculty member at NYU Medical Center, a practicing clinician with a private practice in New York City, and an avid researcher in preventive medicine. Throughout my career as a doctor, researcher, and author, I've always had a strong interest in preventive medicine. I'm constantly investigating new solutions and supplements that I can share with my patients to help improve the quality of their lives as they age. And that's why I want to introduce you to Genf20 Plus, a powerful, all-natural human growth hormone releaser. You see, as you age, your body's production and supply of this very important hormone, called the human growth hormone, begins to dramatically drop off. And these plummeting levels of human growth hormone, also known as HGH, may result in decreased muscle mass, increased belly fat, saggy skin and wrinkles, memory loss, plus many of the other unpleasant side effects commonly associated with aging. That is why Genf20 Plus is such a powerful supplement to combat the inevitable aging process. It has been specially formulated to help stimulate your body to produce more of your own human growth hormone, naturally returning your HGH to more youthful levels. Increased HGH production supports smoother, younger-looking skin, increased metabolism, faster weight loss, more sound, satisfying sleep, consistent higher energy and mental alertness, stronger sex drive and better sexual response, plus much more. As a doctor, I must say I am very critical of many of the natural anti-aging products available today, but I would wholeheartedly recommend Genf20 Plus to anyone who wants to naturally increase their HGH levels and improve their overall health as they age.